But before that, let us look at the solutions of worksheet 3. Those of you who have missed out my previous worksheets can click on the link above. First question. Draw a place value chart and write the numbers in it. Find the place value of the digit 9 in each case. The place value chart. Now the first number 290072. We start with the rightmost digit 2 and we put it in the ones column. Then the next digit 7. Put it in the tens column. Next digit 0. This will go in the hundreds column. After that we have another 0 which will go in the thousands column. Then 9 which will go in the 10,000 column and 2 in the lakhs column. Similarly, we will place the digits of the B part. Now the place value of 9. In the first case, that is 290072. How many digits are there on the right of 9? We have 0072, that is 4 digits. So we will take 9 and after that we will put 4 zeros. That will give us the place value of 9. And when we look at the place value chart, there also 9 is coming under 10,000 column. That means the place value of 9 is 90,000. So when we have to write this in figures, we will write it as 90000. Do remember to put the comma. The next one, let us look at the question here. 9567307. So how many digits do we have after 9 on the right? We have 6 digits. So here we will put 6 zeros after 9. And the number thus formed will be 9000000. This is 90 lakhs. The same thing can be seen from the place value table also. Since it is coming under 10 lakhs column, the 9, it is 90 lakhs. Moving on to the next question. Find the place value of 7 in 5702158, both in figures and in words. In the previous question, we had written the place value only in figures. Now we have to write it in figures and words. So we have to find the place value of this. After 7 on the right we have 02158. That is 5 digits. So after 7 we will put 5 zeros. That is going to give us place value in figures. So in figures we will have 700,000, which is 7 lakhs. So in words we will write as 7 lakh. Question 3. Find the place value of the underlined digits. Now here neither words nor in figures is given to us. You can do it in any form. Here the underlined digit is 9. So we will copy 9 and after 9 we have 3 digits. So we will write 3 zeros. So in figures we have 9 followed by 3 zeros. You can also write it in words. It is 9,000. These are the two possible ways of answering this question. The next one was we have to find the place value of 2 in 2785531. So after 2 we have 6 digits. So we will write 6 zeros after 2. This gives us 2 followed by 6 zeros, which is 20 lakhs. So in figures we'll write 2 followed by 6 zeros and in words we'll write 20 lakh. Question 4. Fill in the blanks. The digits in the 10 lakh place in 4567895. Here I have attached the place value table. In ones place we have 5, in tens place we have 9, hundreds place we have 8, in thousands place we have 7, in 10,000s place we have 6, in lakhs place we have 5 and in 10 lakhs place we have 4. So we need to answer for 10 lakhs. So our answer is going to be 4. The digit in the 10 lakh place in this number is 4. The next one, the digit in the thousands place. Now here ones place 3, tens place 1, hundreds place 4 and thousands place 7. So we will write 7 here. Question 5. Write in expanded form. So here we'll pick up the first digit on the left and the remaining on the right will convert them to zeros. So 3 followed by how many zeros? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 digits we have. So we will write 3 followed by 5 zeros plus 0. So 0 we will not write. After that next digit is 4. So 4 has how many digits on the right? 4 has 3 digits. So we will follow 4 with 3 zeros. Then 5. 5 has 2 digits. It will become 500. Then we'll skip the 0 and write 5 directly. So this gives us 3 lakhs plus 4,000 plus 500 plus 5. Next number 5306743. We have 5 followed by 6 digits. So we will write 5 followed by 6 zeros. After 5 we have 3 and 3 is followed by 5 digits. 6 followed by 3 digits, so it becomes 6,000. 7 followed by 2 digits, so we'll have 700. 4 followed by 1 digit, 40, and 3. If you see, the third digit from left is 0. Here again we have not entered that. Why? Because if you add 0 to anything, the number still remains the same. That is why we have not added 0 here. Question 6. Write in expanded form and find the place value of the digit 5 in each case. The expanded form for this, you know how to write the expanded form. So this is our expanded form. And the place value of 5 is 5 followed by 5 zeros, as there are 5 digits on the right of it. Next one, 365198. In this again we have to write the expanded form. So the expanded form is going to be this, and the place value of 5 is 5,000, 5 followed by 3 zeros. Write the following numbers in short form. So a number will become 234037. In this question, after 30 we had 4,000 directly. There was no number corresponding to the hundreds place. So we have put a 0 in hundreds place. The next one, a number will be 5802340. This brings us to the end of the solutions. Now let us study order relation. For this, you need to know 2 rules. The first one is the numbers with more digits is greater than the number with less digits. Let us take a few examples to understand this better. Now the first one that I have taken is 845 and 1234. The first number has 3 digits, the second number has 4 digits. So the number with 4 digits is going to be the greater number. The next example, 5777 and 14. The first number has 4 digits and the second one has only 2 digits. The number with 4 digits is greater. Now how will we write which is greater? The alligator is going to help us. Look at the open mouth. So alligator will try to eat the number which is bigger. So this symbol, you can imagine it as the open mouth of the alligator. In the first case, the number on the right was bigger, and in the second case, number on the left was bigger. And this is how we will write it. The second rule, to compare 2 numbers having the same number of digits, we start comparing the digits from the leftmost position. Here again, we'll take few examples to understand. The first example here is 46732 and 21346. Both have 5 digits. So we will compare the leftmost digit. In the first number we have 4 and in the second number we have 2. 4 is greater than 2. That means the number 46732 is greater. The second example 67123 and 67321. Here if we take the leftmost digit, it is 6 in both cases. So we will take the next digit, which is 7. Again the same digit. So we go to the next digit. Now here we have 1 in one number and 3 in the other. So 3 is greater, that means the number on the right, that is 673 to 1 is greater. And we will write the symbols like this. Ascending order. Ascending order is moving from a smaller number or a smaller thing to a bigger thing. So to remember, when we have to write in ascending order, we move from small to big. Then descending order. Descending order is moving from big to small. So when we move from left to right, it is moving from big to small. Now how will we implement this with our numbers? Let us take an example. Let us take the example and arrange a set of 4 numbers in ascending order. The 4 numbers that I have taken are 41235, 85269, 10712, 68547. All 4 numbers that I have taken here are 5-digit numbers. So here we will keep the second rule in mind and we'll start comparing. So we'll take the first digit of all these numbers and compare. We have to write in ascending order, so we have to look for the smallest digit. Smallest digit here is 1. So we will write 10712 in the first place. After that, the next digit, that is the smallest, is 4. So we will write 41235. After that we have 6 as the next digit, 68547, and then we have 85269. So this gives us this arrangement of numbers in ascending order. Similarly, you can write in descending order. There you will write the greatest number first. In this example, if I ask you, can you tell me the smallest number and the greatest number? Here we'll look at the numbers and the smallest will be the first number here. In ascending order we had written, so the smallest number was the first number. And the greatest number is going to be the last number. Now, let us do a worksheet to enhance our understanding. Worksheet number 4. Question 1. Compare the following numbers and put greater than or less than in the blanks. A part 565456 and the second number is 898853. Here the second rule is being applied. The next one, B part 9056654. The other number 9007587. The C part 6767676. 7676767. Question number 2. Find the smallest and the greatest number from the following. Here, you don't have to actually write the entire thing in ascending order to find that. Just find the smallest number. Come, let's look at the numbers. The A part has 678430. Next number is 90871. Next is 575436 and the last number given is 793379. In this, both the rules will be used. To find the smallest number, we will use the first rule about number of digits, and to find the greatest number, we will use the second rule. Then the B part 7834293. Next number is 5439061. After that 945137 and 8743639. Both rules are being applied here. Arrange the following in ascending order. In ascending order, we will write from small to big. So first we'll write the smallest number and then go up to the greatest number. Question number 4. Arrange the following in descending order. So descending is big to small. Now this brings us to the end of the worksheet. I wish you luck with your worksheet. Until we meet again, stay safe, stay happy.